Do you really need these? Yeah, you do. The fact of the matter is that this will save you so much time, and if you're anything like me, several layers of skin. These make removing and reattaching this type of a clamp like perfectly simple. You can see that there's little notches in the ends here. Those slip right into the little openings on this. And once they're inside, see how simple that is? Trying to do this any other way is remarkably frustrating. I ended up having to take my washer apart a couple of times because I thought that I had fixed the problem, but I hadn't. The first time I reinstalled this without this tool, it was so frustrating, took me so long, and I ended up losing a little of myself along the way. So do yourself a favor, pick up a pair of these ahead of time. They will save you so much time, so much frustration, and literally can save your skin. Ask me how I know.